just going to video showing little Big B, his sort of behaviour in terms of touring the garden he's got. Just goes round in circles, more or less following the same area. I really can't work out what he's doing other than possibly burning off some energy, because it's not like he's even really exploring, is it?
No.
A little bit off course. That's what they do. They do seem to stick to a similar course, and it's either round and round in circles like this, or sort of out from a central point, out a little bit of exploring, and then back to the little safe zone. Off he goes. He's done that area now, so he's going to do another bit. I bet he goes round and round another bit now. Yep. It's very dusty and rocky around there. Don't usually go around there that much. Just explore that a little bit. It's the thing, they definitely go over the same ground a few times, just as if they're trying to, I don't know, really get to grips with it. That's it. If we go in, just check it out, just to check it's still the same, which it is. I mean, it's kind of weird because they've got good memories for locations, haven't they? So do they remember that they've visited it, or do they forget that easily? Do they remember the layout? Is that what he's trying to do? Figure out what the important features are? Off we go again. This area. It's really
Gets as far each time, no further. And comes
Yeah.
back.
I mean, when you sort of look at it like this, there is a kind of mad pattern to it. Or a sequence of patterns, let's put it that way. Here we go, let me do this area now. The other thing, I mean, he's not trying to escape. It's not like he's up against the edge the whole time. So it's kind of like he's understood the confines of where he lives. Now he's just kind of exploring, burning off some energy. Maybe that's what it's all about. Can't fly, so he can't burn off energy that way. Doesn't show a lot of interest in the lavender, which is kind of almost baffling, because the lavender outside is just mobbed by bees. I mean, you just can't stop counting. So it's obviously they like the smell and the colour and the nectar, but he doesn't go for it. But then maybe we've ended up training them to easily get nectar from the daisies. So maybe there's absolutely no incentive for them to try getting it from the lavender, so maybe they don't even realise it's there, to be honest. I mean, they've never, because of where we found them and when we brought them in, they've never had the opportunity to, fly to a real flower and figure out that they have to get nectar and pollen from it. They've always been given it, so maybe that's part of the story. Here we go, back around again. He's covered this bit already, but he's doing it again. Slightly different pattern.
She's on the move quite a lot, walking around in here now.
Okay. Probably woken her up by taking the lid off and putting some light in. Anyway, he's full of beans.
Mm.
What we just want is for Holly to come out and get a drink because we haven't seen her do that.